cooler day today. Yesterday it was absolutely scorching. It must have been about 30 degrees, if not more, but we just couldn't go out in the sun. It was just so hot. And my poor dog, she just couldn't cope with it. She just lay in the washroom all day on the cold tiles. So this week's video is going to be both Fran and I out in the garden. There's no renovation work going on because, as you know, we've sold the property and we're just waiting now to basically move, really. We're travelling down to the Limousin area today and we're staying there till probably the end of the week. We don't know, it depends on what we find. And we're still looking for a property. It's been a difficult one, but we're still looking and hopeful that we'll find something this time. This is our third time we've travelled down, so we're hoping it's going to be our last time. But we'll see how it goes. The cows are just coming over because they've heard my voice. I'll just turn you around. They're just starting to walk over because they've heard my voice, and they're all after apples. Fran's been feeding them some apples off this apple tree here. And they're all coming over for apples. Poor thing's covered in flies. So, yeah, so I hope you like this video. And if you do like the video, if you don't mind giving us a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, it's absolutely free. And while I'm here, I'd just like to again thank all our subscribers. The subscribers are getting up there slowly, but it'd be nice for more to come on board, and there'll be more content, obviously, with the new property. So until next time, enjoy the video and we'll see you next week. Bye for now. Fran's going to pick the rest of the potatoes that is left in this potato bed. Most of them have died off. A few stalks have started to stand up, but I just think that's with the rain that we had last night. But these potatoes need to come up because some of them that we're picking are a bit rotted. So I think it's time to get the potatoes out of there. And what I'm going to do is replant some more. So let's see what we get out of these few plants that are left. So he comes with his fork. So we may as well just dig up what's left now, Fran, because I want to start planting new. What's the matter?
Big worm, I thought it was snakes for me.
Terrified of snakes he is. Just saying there, they seem to sprout up a bit since the rain we had last night.
Yeah.
Do you have to go that deep down?
I don't know. Well, you said the other day, go deep. I don't know. I'm not sure. Huh? Yeah, I'll say about some of the squatters.
Yeah, that's because I think they get too wet, don't they?
Yeah. You seem to lose a lot with that fork.
Yeah, that corner there, that's the only corner where we've had a few rotted potatoes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Last week's video I mentioned that you don't have to peel new potatoes, but apparently you do have to peel new potatoes. One of our subscribers commented saying you do have to peel them, so ignore what I said, I was wrong. Unless there's another type of potato that you don't have to peel and I'm getting confused with.
The bottom's very dry.
We said that about that soil from day one, didn't we? We didn't think it was very...
I don't know, I think there's going to be too many spuds. I don't know whether
yeah, maybe.
I don't know because there's no...
Well, when we move, I'm just going to put them in the ground, aren't I? I'm not going to have beds for me potatoes. Or I might use buckets. I know some people use buckets. Those manky ones there can go in the compost heap. Compost bin, should I say. Ooh. See nice potatoes on there. Still a lot of potatoes on that.
Is there?
Yeah, look, a little baby ones.
Tiny ones.
Yeah. Is that a big snail there?
What?
Snail there. Yeah. There's loads of red ones there. What time? Didn't get many red ones, did we? That's a few.
You said you planted loads of red.
I did. Planted more red than white, but I don't know what's gone on with these red ones this year. Some nice potatoes there for a couple of days. Good job. I don't want any dirty potatoes that are rotted.
I've got more potatoes here. Sure. Get many out of that.
That one. Look at that one.
What?
Looks like a mouse.
You know,
this one looks like a mouse.
That's it. You're done.
Yeah. So that's the potatoes we managed to get out of those few plants that were left. So yeah, quite pleased with them. We've had a good crop considering it's the first time we've done this.
You've had a lot more than that.
Oh yeah, I've been taking them out for weeks. I haven't bought potatoes. I haven't had to buy any potatoes for what? At least 2 months?
Yeah.
2 to 3 months. Yeah. Quite pleased with that.
You'd have to grow a lot more than that going.
Oh yeah.
When we move, get into the winter and that.
Oh, it's got a big slit down, but it'll be alright.
What's fun? Ready? Which one? Ah, it's a baby carrot, though, isn't it?
Yeah, baby carrots. Right, we decided to pick the carrots.
Ah, baby one. I'll do.
These are my carrots.
That's right.
That's not too bad.
Not bad carrot, huh? These big ones, yeah. You did do a big carrot, but look at that.
Oh yeah, don't seem to have done very well.
What's that with them? Oh, them big ones, they're no good.
No.
Actually.
That's okay.
It's not. It's anemic.
Yeah. It's not the carrots
they've been getting water cut because they're put this straight.
Yeah.
So the water being
I wonder what it is, and that's causing that.
Hey, that's a nice one, isn't it?
Nice big one, yeah. Nice orange.
Oh, look at that one.
So the smaller the leaf on it,
yeah.
The carrot seems bigger.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's a big one. Look at that.
Huge.
Oh, I bet you're proud of that one, aren't you? Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, these will already be picked. That's a nice one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely, that one.
Next one.
It's not too bad.
Bit twisted away.
Yeah, well, you can't have everything perfect.
Right. That one?
No, leave. Oh, I don't know.
Big one? Big one now.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh. Right, so all the little ones I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that one. Go fine. Yeah. Oh, I got two there by accident. How's that one?
Good.
Some of them come out like baby carrots, but
Yeah.
still edible, aren't they?
Yeah.
Put this one in this
We eat a
corner.
lot of carrots, don't we?
Yeah, loads of them. Other end of that one, left behind.
That's not bad. I think, you know, because it's my first time I've ever planted vegetables, I've done quite well. Yeah.
Another one. Quite a big carrot.
Yeah. So the rest staying in, are they?
Yeah, we could do, couldn't we?
Yeah, leave
We'll
them
leave
in.
them in.
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
I don't know, we could do picking some onions.
Yeah, so I'm not coming out each night, you mean?
Well,
You mean so I'm not coming out every night? And you
yeah.
go again, aren't you?
Yeah. That one there, maybe.
This one?
Yeah.
They're not quite balls yet, these are they? They're still there.
I don't know, that's what they're meant to be, are they?
Well, yeah, they're supposed to be completely round, aren't they, I think?
Oh.
So, with that one. They're supposed to have four. I read it and it said they've got to have at least 14 of these on.
And have
Like this one.
Some must have.
That one was already out the ground. You get to see that. See the way it's completely round?
Yeah, yeah.
That's what you need.
No more.
Yeah, there's spring onions there.
There's loads of signals.
That on.
Yeah.
They're only small anyway.
Doesn't matter.
Maybe they should be left in.
No.
I don't think they're ready for
I
picking
could
them.
make some pickled onions with them. Be nice with pickled onions. The spring onions there. Nice big onion. So these are my cabbages and they are my lettuce. Got more lettuce there than we need really.
Well, I beg to differ because that is a sprout. They're all sprouts then.
This is a cabbage.
Right, let me explain.
Can I just ask anyone out there if they'd like to leave a comment on whether this is a cabbage or a sprout?
So that's them. Eh?
Yeah.
That's them will go up and your sprouts all start popping out on the sides. It's a bit bent then. It should be going up straight.
Yeah, I did have written on the sticks what they were, but with the rain it's washed off.
The sprouts.
These are the sprouts.
Embarrassing yourself saying the cabbages. Yeah, but they're only babies.
So if anyone wants to give us a comment on what you think these are.
Sprouts. I think you need to pull one of them out.
And put this argument to rest once and for all.
Sprouts.
Well, we'll see what the viewers have to say, whether they are sprouts or whether they are cabbages.
Sprouts.
I do not remember planting sprouts there.
Sprouts.
I wouldn't plant sprouts there and then plant sprouts there as well.
You put sprouts everywhere. You went mad with sprouts and you went...
That was in the potting shed.
And cauliflower, you did plant a lot of cauliflower. You can point out at me as much as you like, but I'll tell you now, they are sprouts and they're sprouts.
Okay.
You're saying a cabbage goes on a big long stick?
That's not a cabbage. They're me sprouts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they're exactly the same as them, but it's a bigger version.
They're not.
They're identical, I think.
All right, we'll see.
Well, yeah, video of that leaf. Look at a little baby leaf there, and look at that leaf. Look at the veins. They're identical.
And if I'm proved right, you've got to make the cups of tea all week.
I'll make the cups of tea all week anyway.
You can make extra.
So that's the same for you.
Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, same for me.
If they're sprouts, you make the tea.
So if they are cabbages,
yeah.
sorry, if they're sprouts, I'll make the cups of tea all week.
All right, I'll do it.
But if they turn out to be cabbages, you've got to make the cups of tea.
It's enough for now.
Yeah. Those garlics went to let them dry. So there's the vegetables we picked so far. Lots of carrots, potatoes, spring onions, red onions and white onions. Yeah, quite pleased with that turnout.
So they're quite...
Strong. Smell very strong, these onions.
Did he?
Yeah. They're really nice, aren't they? You can use those red ones for a salad. The cow is steadily sneaking over to fudge. I don't know if it's a he or a she, but whatever it is, they've been wanting to come over and see fudge for a couple of days. Fudge has not been feeling herself for the past couple of days. She had an injection on Friday, another steroid. It's the second steroid injection for arthritis. And she hasn't left for 2 days.